Okay, we're just going to work now on copying a page over into the new site from the Working Class Movement Library's old site. So I have their page that I want to copy here. It's a straightforward page. It's just got headings, some text, some links, but no images. So I have everything that I need to build the page. Let's go ahead and do it. So first thing I do is copy the text, and then I paste it into Notepad or WordPad. Okay, then we go to the site, Treeline. I'm already logged in. What I want to do is create some content, create a new web page. It's already selected a content page, which is what I want. So now I need the title of the page. Go down here. The title was Working Lives. I'm just going to paste that in there. Now in the site we have capitals for the first letters in the page titles, so Working Lives in capitals. The section it's going in is the same section it was in the previous site, which is in the Our Collection section. It rhymes nicely. So let's go back, select the section Our Collection. Now we need a tag for this. It's about Working Lives. So if you start to type Working Lives, you can see it comes up, add the tag by clicking OK. If I wanted to add another tag like Peterloo, but yeah, and click it and OK, add another one. If I clicked it, OK, add another one. Page refreshes and it's there as well, but it's not actually about Peterloo, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, now we need a brief description. This is what Google sees when you search for this page. So let's just take the little bit of text from the beginning here. Well, generation of people live, worked and died without leaving. That we're living now, they walked on the same streets as us. Yes, that's a nice little paragraph, so let's copy that and Control and V, paste it into there. Okay, some other things we can do here. I want people to be able to comment on this page and feed back to us. Ignore this timeline data for the next stage. We don't want to take it offline, we don't want to hide it, we don't want to hide it from the search engines, so we go straight to the next step. Now our page is there. We want it to actually go at the top here, so all we do is we click and drag the page up to the top. Try that again. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, so let's put it there, and then we'll take this. Yeah, okay, we'll put it there and then see if we can just drag it down one. A little bit tricky. We can only move that page once, but that's a bit of a bug. We'll get that sorted out. So let's save changes and edit content. Okay, now we take our, this is the area of the site that we want to put the information in. We can add panels on this side that we can create them. Let's add a panel there called Visiting the Library, encourage people to visit us. So I'll go back to this. We've already got the title up there, Working Lives, so we can get rid of that. Don't need it. And then we click in the box, hold your finger on the control button, on A, that selects all of it. X cuts it all out of there, and then here we click in the box, we click this little symbol here in the middle, paste as plain text, and we do Control and V. OK, and that's put the content into the box there. Okay, now just a bit of formatting, because we want the page to look like the concept that we gave them. So if we go to a page here, you can see it has a certain look about it. Let's go to any content page. Yeah, so this is a larger text, and this is standard text, and these are links. Okay, so we just need to follow the style and make sure we get it looking the same. So here, if we click in just anywhere in this first paragraph, go to Styles, larger font, it automatically makes it larger. Want a bit of a gap there, and then these are going to be links. So we've already created pages called blacksmiths, boilermakers, brushmakers, gasworkers, etc. So I'm just going to link now. So just follow what I do. This is the link tool, and I link to another page on this website, and it's in the Our Collections section, and it's blacksmiths. So I just click on blacksmiths, click OK. That's created a link. Same again, boilermakers, link tool, link to another page on this website in the Our Collections section, Boilermakers. Okay. Brush makers. Click it. Link to another page. If I hadn't already created these pages for Boilermakers, brush makers, etc. earlier, then I could have just left this page blank and come back to it later once I've created these pages and link it up again. You can always come back and re-edit a page. Gas workers. Pretty much you should be getting the hang of it by now. Gas workers. Shipwrights. Link to another page on this one. I should be getting quicker at this. Silk workers. Well, at least this repetition, you should be getting the hang of how you create a link to another page. What am I looking at? Silk workers. Tailors. I'm going to make a deliberate mistake now, just to show you how to fix it. So let's our collections. I'm supposed to be linking to silk workers, tailors, but I'm going to link to brush makers. Made a mistake. So all I do is I highlight the one that I know I've made a mistake on, click this little symbol here, which is to unlink it, so it's gone now, and I can highlight it again, and properly link it to tailors. There we go, all done. Okay, that's looking okay, but let's have a look. We can go up here and we can preview the page. This opens it as a completely fresh page. So this is what we've just built, ready to go. It's got the panel there, it's got our text, these are links, and it's got the comment area down here at the bottom. So that's fine. Close this page. So we save the changes, publish this page. Now if we wanted to preview it again and just double check, we could do, but let's be brave and publish. Okay, that page is now published. There it is in the list of pages, and let's go to the website. Just going to refresh the page by pressing Ctrl and F5, and then if we look under our collections, you can see the page we've just created is there, Working Lives. So there we go. That's how to build a page. It's as simple as that. These link through, as you can see. We can go back. These links, gas workers, back again, and as we can see, the one we made a mistake with tailors is indeed linking to the tailors page. It's as simple as that to build a page in Treeline. Thank you.